Good morning, everyone. How are you feeling today? My name is Andrea, and welcome in today's very short video where I'm gonna show you our very favorite pose, and it is called the cat's tail pose. Yep, it sounds a little bit tingly. Yeah, I will stretch you and twist you in weird ways, but listen to your body, don't overdo it. Are you ready? Now I'm going to get you into our another favorite pose. And you will be smiling. It's the cat tails pose. Yay! We love it. We love it. Now, just so you know what's going on, I will drop my right knee to the left side first so you'll know what's happening with the left foot. Remember, don't overstretch, don't overdo it. Do what you can do. Step by step, we'll become more and more flexible. So even if you just do the stage number 1, it's all good, I promise. I need you to open the arms, open the shoulders. And I need you to straighten your left leg down to the mat. And just kind of shuffle your hips to the right first, just a little bit. And we're going to bring the right knee across to the left. Maybe put a block under your knee. It doesn't have to go all the way down. But as you know, the shoulders have to stay on the mat. Now this is the option number 1, and you can just stay here, it's okay. But if you're kind of flexible, you can try to bend the left knee and try to grab the foot. Oof, I can't even talk. So as you can see, my shoulder is down, I'm grabbing the foot, and this is called the cat's tail pose. Now, you can always straighten the right leg to the side. Obviously I don't have the space, but you can. And we're smiling, aren't we? Let's stay here. Inhale, you can look over your right shoulder as well. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, very good. Don't hurt yourself. Inhale, shoulders on the mat. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale, brilliant. Last inhalation here. And as you exhale, gently release the foot. Straighten the left leg. And very slowly roll down. Ooh, back to the center. Oh, wow. And move a little bit. Shake it all off. Move your arms, your legs. Was it nice? Oh yes, it was nice. We like. Okay, let's do the other side. So exciting. We're going to straighten the right leg. We're going to bend the left knee. Open the arms and shuffle the hips a little bit to the left so we can easily bring the knee to the right side. And it doesn't have to touch, it's okay, but the shoulders have to touch. And you can straighten the leg, it's okay, but let's try to bend the right knee and maybe grab the foot. And let's stay here. Inhale. You can look over your left shoulder. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Take a deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently release the foot very slowly. Take your time. Come back to the center. Wow. Oh, well done. So this was our favorite cat's tail pose. Well done, everyone.